Then people called me to say, what is difficult in the council chairman making public the income and expenditure on monthly basis? Once money drops into the local government, we are still operating. I think they are still operating joint account. Jack. But in Lagos, because I was part of a delegation that went for an oversight. Some persons called me and said, be part of us at Etios local government, and they told us that they pay directly from federal.
But that's actually the situation now.
But the local government chairman will always tell you in Ukwuani that they are still operating Jack. And on monthly basis, when this money drop, part of it is being taken to offset the embezzlement that the former governor, Ifeanyi Okowa.
Allegedly.
If you want to put the word allegedly, it's okay. Allegedly. And having taken such part of the money that comes on monthly basis, the leftover, the council chairman will now sit on it and say, of course, is now under the cover of the state. Nothing will happen. For that reason, from what is left, he pays salary to members of his family that are not
you verifiable proof.
Listen. I'm telling you reasons why they cannot publish the income and expenditure. I'm telling you reasons why they cannot bring this document to the public. He pays members of his family from the leftover, buy properties. That is it. That is the document.
Yeah.
This document you are seeing.
What does it say? Because
what is it saying? Can you read anything from this? This is what they call compliance. This is what they are telling Ukwuani people that they've complied. You can see the level of fraud in what they are doing.
And can I ask how you got this document?
This document was what they exhibited as part of compliance.
To the court ruling.
To the court ruling. Now I have made 2 allegations here.
Yes.
And they should prove me wrong by coming up with the clean copy of the income and expenditure of Ukwuani local government between 2024 July to date.
That man they're talking in that video is from Ukwuani land. He said that on a monthly basis that the money sent to the local governments in Ukwuani land, that it is being deducted to pay for the 1.3 trillion naira stolen by Ifeanyi Okowa. That thing is not only happening in Ukwuani land though. It includes other local governments in Anioma land. The whole local government in Ukwuani land, the whole local government in Oshimili and Enacha land, the whole local government in Ika land. Once federal government send money, give local government for Anioma land, the money will be deducted to pay off the 1.3 trillion naira stolen by Ifeanyi Okowa. This thing is not only happening in Anioma land though, it's also happening in other local governments in Delta states. All those Urobo, Isoko, Isekiri, Ijo lands, waiting for this Delta state, is also happening in their local governments. EFCC still did that place, they investigate Okowa. See what this man talk here. Say that they deduct money from our local governments just to pay for that 1.3 trillion naira where Okowa steal. This is the person that some Ukwuani people are campaigning for. This is the person that some Ukwuani people are supporting to go and represent we Anioma people in the Senate. This is the reason why Ifeanyi Okowa don't want us to get Anioma state. If not, where he go from see that 1.3 trillion naira take pay for the money where he steal? He need to keep us in Delta states so that he go dey collect the money till the money go complete. For how long Okowa wan keep us for Delta state to take collect all those money, take pay for the money where he steal? The man no dey talk and say na allegedly. He dey talk and say this is what is happening. We dey talk say development no dey Ukwuani land. Yet the one where federal government dey give us through local government, they deduct the money. The man said that the remaining ones that it will be shared by local government people that will share the money, put for their pocket, carry the money, they pay their family members salary. This is the height of the corruption that is going on in this Anioma land. Some Okowa people will tell you, we want to go back to the Senate. Senator Oko wants to take us to the Southeast. We don't want Anyama State. Delta State where una dey now. See as they take the defraud una. Ukwuani where get crude oil well for this Delta State. Look at how we Ukwuani people are suffering. No development in Ukwuani land. The biggest industry in Ukwuani land is politics. The biggest industry in Anyama land is politics. That is why so many of them are supporting Ifeanyi Okowa. Because by supporting a corrupt leader, you go from there, they get money. Support Senator Edwoko, make we get Anyama State. Make we get more jobs for Anyama land. Think about the benefits of Anyama State to we Anyama people. No be that one that they talk. They won't make political money. If you talk, some Ukwuani people go tell you what of the crude oil companies in Ukwuani land. Now Ukwuani person get that crude oil company, no. Now politics keep Ukwuani people backward as we dey now. For Ukwuani land, we say Ukwuani land is not growing. Now the bad politics of Okowa keep Ukwuani land as it is so. Those set of Ukwuani people they benefit from the politics of Okowa. You will never see them speak against Okowa because they are benefiting from him. Instead, all of them they busy they speak against Senator Ned Nwoko. As if Senator Ned Nwoko stole 1.3 trillion naira. Senator Ned Nwoko not get any case with EFCC. EFCC never talk for one day say Senator Ned Nwoko steal money. Okowa when they talk say he steal money, now they defend. Who do Ukwuani people this thing? Ukwuani people where they say they not even they work with Senator Ned Nwoko. Then they go national television, they talk say this is what is happening in Delta State. Money where they give local government for Ukwuani land, say they deduct them, they pay for the 1.3 trillion naira where Ifeanyi Okowa steal. Yet some Ukwuani people no one get sense because they come life to suffer. If you check for the whole Igbo speaking regions for Delta State, if you observe very well, you go just conclude say suffer just dey Ukwuani land. Like you can't be like say Chukwu create us finish, can't carry cloth of suffer wear Ukwuani people for body. People wey get crude oil well and gas that they suffer. So many Ukwuani people cannot speak up because Okowa don't collect everywhere for Ukwuani land. Ukwuani land just dey Okowa hand like this. We Anyama people, we don't want Okowa to represent us in the Senate. Okowa not be better person. If to say Ifeanyi Okowa no cross carpet enter APC from PDP, EFCC for don send Okowa go prison. But because I say he's an APC member now, they just freestyle the matter. PDP political party is dead. Okowa is just in APC to be protected. As Okowa dey now, he does not belong to any party. Okowa is just floating. It will be so shameful for Ifeanyi Okowa to be the senator representing Delta North. Allegedly, 2 top politicians from Delta State, one from Urobo, one from Eka land, they went to APC National Secretariat in Abuja and gave some of those top APC officials 68 billion naira to buy the whole APC slots in Delta State, to make Delta State their own. So if we hear say they declare Ifeanyi Okowa winner of the APC senatorial primaries for Delta North, we don't know say na wetin wan happen because this is what we heard. 68 billion naira not be small money. Like I said, allegedly, that is what we heard. Sheriff is trying to impose Okowa on we Anyama people. We dey talk say we no want Okowa. You dey want impose Okowa on us. To see how desperate those 2 politicians from Delta State are, they carry 68 billion naira go share give some people just to buy the whole APC slot waiting for Delta State. Delta State youth they talk say they not get work. Yet some politicians from these Delta states get mind comot 68 billion naira. Money where they said give local governments, then they cut part of the money to take pay for the 1.3 trillion naira wey dem steal. Ukwuani land is backward. Is caused by Ukwuani people. Okowa is not the reason why Ukwuani land is backward. If Ukwuani people decide say enough is enough for Okowa, say Okowa will never represent us in the Senate, Okowa not represent us. No matter the rigging, Okowa cannot represent us. If Ika people talk say they no want to make Okowa go back to that place again, they go do am. If Oshimiri and another people talk say Okowa will not go back, it go surely happen. Now because of say Anioma land have been divided by politics. Tell the supporters of Okowa, what have Okowa done for Ukwuani people? They not go fit talk. Good road Ukwuani not get. When Okowa was the senator representing Delta North and when he was the governor of Delta State for 8 years, good hospital Okowa not build for Ukwuani people. Good road Okowa not do for Ukwuani people. For more than 20 years, Ukwuani people not get lights. Person wey be say when he was in power, he not do anything for Ukwuani people. Now when he won't go back, he go do all those things for Ukwuani people. What is even the interest of Ukwuani people? Now make we develop or now make we dey worship Okowa. The daughter of Okowa is contesting for election. Okowa is contesting. The in-law of Okowa is contesting. Delta State is now Okowa's kingdom. Is Okowa and his family the only one in Delta State? Ukwuani people, they're not the reason all these ones. Their own na, if election reach, give them 3,000 naira, give them 5,000 naira, make them go vote. That's all. Poverty is very bad. Not only poverty go make person papa and person mama go stand for line, they vote for a very bad and corrupt politician. Okowa is bad news to we and Anioma people. E dey very bad say a politician that was accused by the EFCC of stealing 1.3 trillion naira is contesting to represent we and Anioma people in the Senate. E dey very bad. Okowa is fighting Anioma State so that he will be able to gather those money that he stole and pay back that money. Okowa is fighting Anioma State so that his political cabal that he created in Delta State will not be destroyed. If we get Anioma State, Okowa not go fit to control Governor Sheriff again. He not go get power over Urobo politicians again. He not go get power over Ishekiri, Isoko and the job politicians for this Delta State again. And if we get Anioma State, he not go get power for Anioma State's politics. That is why Okowa is fighting against Anioma State creation. Make he fit hold Delta State the way he hold them down. Okowa is the one governing Delta State. Sheriff just did that place. All the projects where Senator Edwoko don't tell Governor Sheriff say, let us do this thing. The road leading to my house is not good. Let's build that road. Governor Sheriff said no. Let's build Ogwashuku Dam for Anioma people to be having light. Sheriff said no. Let's step down up by IPP in Ukwuani land for Ukwuani people to be having lights. Governor Sheriff said no. Wait till now what makes Senator Edwoko do again? Some Anioma people will be telling you, hey, Senator Edwoko, he's not doing anything for we Anioma people. The project where Senator Edwoko, they tell Governor Sheriff make they do for Anioma people. Governor Sheriff is turning it down. That is because he is taking order from Okowa, his boss. Some Anioma people, they don't understand all these things. They don't know say some of those projects where they thought say Senator Edwoko not they do. Now the governor of Delta State, they say no to those projects. Anioma people, make una they look where, make una they see wetin dey happen. If you are from Ika, stop supporting Okowa because Okowa is from Ika. Ika people they suffer. You can't compare that suffering to what we Ukwuani people are passing through. Ukwuani people now suffer pass for this Anioma land. When they talk about suffer, leave am for Ukwuani people. Now we the suffer pass for these Delta states. We get through there, we not the benefits from them. The one where federal government they give us for local government, they deduct and they pay for 1.3 trillion naira with ST. Yet some Ukwuani people, they no one reason, they don't want to accept this fact where we they tell them so. Our Ukwuani brother go national television, they talk this thing to the hearing of Ukwuani people. Yet some of them are still supporting Ifeanyi Okowa. We Anioma people, let's support Senator Edwoko and make sure that we get Anioma states. Any Anyoma person where they support Ifeanyi Okowa, that Anyoma person not mean well for we Anyoma people. Such an Anyoma person, he not mean well for we Ukwuani people. Wait till you go call Ifeanyi Okowa a politician where he say he is against Anyoma state creation. What do you call such a politician? Anyoma state where we Anyoma people don't they clamor to actualize for the past 88 years. Okowa is standing against it, saying, Anyoma people want Anyoma state to be in the south. Just imagine. That statement alone supposed to make Anyoma people know, say, this man called Okowa is evil. So Anyoma people not go see this thing what they talk now. Anyoma state where they say, look at Anyoma state. Anyoma state is visible. We want to actualize Anyoma state. Okowa na the obstacle where they fight Anyoma state. But some Anyoma people where they say, they're not they see beyond their nose. Their owner just give them money, make a chop. They're not the reason say, what are the benefits of Anyoma state? No be that one that they talk. Their own be say, Okowa where they like. Okowa where they give them money. Thought say, make Anyoma state day for south. For that, make Anyoma day south. They forget say, there are so many other people in this south that are looking for a state. If slot come and say they want give south states, Anyoma can never take that slot. Nothing will ever make Anyoma to take that slot. That time now I go see competition. Now that time Urobo people go show and say, you Anyoma people are meant to be in the southeast. Now that time we just go let una know say, you Anyoma people are meant to be in the southeast. Everyone that are looking for a state in this south. Now that time they go remind we Anyoma people say, Anyoma people are meant to be in the southeast. You people are Igbo people. Join your Igbo brothers in the southeast and leave this slot for us. Those Anyoma people they support Okowa, they're not the reason go this side. APC National Secretary should know that we Anyoma people, we don't want Ifeanyi Okowa. We don't want Okowa to represent us in the Senate. Okowa not be better person. Person where EFCC accuse say is still Delta State 1.3 trillion naira. 9 day contest for elections. Person where we say he supposed to jail for in crime. In the contest for election. That is to tell you how corrupt Nigeria is. Ishia Gwale.